You take a 28-year-old kid who's getting out of the military and has spent 10 years in sustained combat. While it may not be a healthy place to be, most veterans who were in that situation, they found a home with others who have the same feelings that they do, the same desire to serve and matter. Now they're out, and all the structure and the team and the camaraderie, the ability to express their empathy and serve people is gone. And I think that's what's killing people in our community. We've got a society that thinks that veterans are broken from combat trauma. How that lands on the veteran population is, I'm not broken. I mean, I might have problems, but I'm here to serve. We have to shift our mindset to helping people understand who they are and why they are the way they are, and then give them what they've earned, which is the respect and the opportunities to do that work. And that's why we built this place. If you train in the military, in between those deployments, you're going to schoolhouses, you're learning different things, immersive and rapid, theoretical and practical. Then you get out and you go sit in a college, and it's not that. No wonder veterans go to college and drop out. Our education day here is 10 hours long, modulating between physical fitness, intellectual education, emotional awareness, and values work. They love it because it feels like they're back where they belong.